How to fix Twitch app not loading. In this video, I'll show you guys what might be causing the issue and how to solve it. So the first thing you can do is try to open up your Twitch app and your stream. If it's not loading, then in that case, what you can do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Because sometimes if you don't have a stable internet, you can have issues with the Twitch not loading. So if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. After you have done that, just restart your phone and try to see Twitch again. But if none of that works, long press on the app and head over to app info. From here, you could just go ahead and simply tap on the storage icon and tap on the storage option. Clear cache from here, and then if you want, you could also try to clear data, but mind you, it will delete all of your account information as well, and you're going to have to log in back again. Once you do that, head over to battery usage. Make sure it's set to unrestricted, because sometimes if there are any restrictions with the battery, it might be causing the issue with the loading problem. And then you just try to open Twitch again and it should start working. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.